Hello and welcome. Today we will discover the secret benefits of avocado for seniors. This gentle, creamy fruit is more than a trend. It is a nutritional powerhouse that can help support heart health, brain function, digestion, joints, skin, and overall energy. This video will guide you in simple, safe, and practical ways to add avocado to your daily life, one bite at a time. First, a quick friendly introduction to avocado itself. Avocado is soft, buttery, and mild in flavor. It grows on trees and is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For seniors who want nutrient-dense foods that are easy to chew and enjoy, avocado is a natural choice. The texture is forgiving, and there are many ways to prepare it that do not require complicated cooking. One of the top benefits of avocado is support for heart health. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. These fats help support healthy cholesterol levels when used in place of saturated fats. For many seniors, keeping cholesterol and blood pressure in a good range is a top priority. Avocado also contains potassium, a mineral that supports normal blood pressure. Including avocado in place of butter, cream, or processed spreads can be a simple swap with a big benefit over time. Avocado is also excellent for digestion. A medium avocado contains a generous amount of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, supports a healthy gut microbiome, and helps you feel full longer. For seniors who struggle with constipation, adding a small portion of avocado to a meal can gently help. The creamy texture can be especially helpful for those with dental concerns because it requires minimal chewing. Another important area for seniors is blood sugar control and diabetes management. Avocado is low in sugar and high in healthy fats and fiber, which slow the absorption of carbohydrates. When paired with whole grains, lean proteins, or vegetables, avocado can help reduce spikes in blood sugar after meals. This makes it a useful food choice for seniors with diabetes or insulin resistance. Brain health is a major concern as we age. The monounsaturated fats in avocado support healthy blood flow and may help maintain brain function. Avocado also provides vitamin E, folate, and other nutrients that support cognitive health. These nutrients work quietly, one meal at a time, to help preserve memory and mental clarity. Including avocado regularly is an easy way to nourish the brain as part of a balanced diet. Eye health benefits are another reason to choose avocado. Avocado contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that concentrate in the retina and support vision. These compounds help protect the eyes from oxidative stress. For seniors concerned about macular degeneration or general vision support, avocado can be a delicious addition to eye-friendly meals. Bone health receives support from avocado as well. It supplies vitamin K, which helps with calcium regulation and bone mineralization. When combined with calcium-rich foods and gentle weight-bearing activities, the nutrients in avocado help contribute to stronger bones over time. Inflammation can affect joints, mobility, and comfort. Avocado contains antioxidants and nutrients that may help reduce chronic low-level inflammation. When eaten as part of an anti-inflammatory eating pattern, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, avocado plays a supportive role in managing discomfort and preserving mobility. Avocado is also a powerful partner for nutrient absorption. Some important vitamins, such as vitamin A, vitamin D, and carotenoids, are fat-soluble. This means they are better absorbed when eaten with a source of healthy fat. Adding a little avocado to a salad or a bowl of steamed vegetables increases the body's ability to take in these valuable nutrients. This is a simple trick to help you get more benefit from every meal. Now let us talk about portion size and calories in a senior-friendly way. Avocado is nutrient-dense and contains more calories than many vegetables. A reasonable portion is about 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado per meal, depending on your energy needs and activity level. If you are watching calories, use smaller portions and balance with lean proteins, vegetables, and whole grains. If you need extra calories because of poor appetite or unintended weight loss, avocado can be a healthy way to add calories without unhealthy ingredients. Safety and medication considerations are important. Avocado is high in potassium, which is usually beneficial. However, if you are on certain medications that restrict potassium, or if you have kidney disease, check with your healthcare provider before adding large amounts of avocado daily. Also, if you take blood thinning medication, vitamin K in avocado may have an effect, so it is best to keep vitamin K intake consistent and speak with your clinician. When in doubt, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Now, let us move to practical tips for choosing ripeness. A ripe avocado yields to gentle pressure, It should feel slightly soft but not mushy. If it is very firm, you can let it sit on the counter at room temperature for a couple of days until it softens. To speed ripening, place it next to a banana. Refrigeration slows ripening, so once it is ripe, store it in the fridge to keep it at peak texture for a few days. Safe and simple ways to cut and prepare avocado matter. If you have limited hand strength or arthritis, slice the avocado in half lengthwise. Twist the two halves apart. Remove the pit by gently tapping it with a knife and twisting, or scoop it out with a spoon if you prefer to avoid knife use. Use a spoon to scoop the flesh out onto a plate or into a bowl. For seniors with dexterity or joint pain, use a small scoop or melon baller to portion with less effort. Now some delicious senior-friendly serving ideas that are easy to prepare, gentle on teeth, and full of flavor. First, avocado mashed with lemon and a pinch of salt. Mash a quarter to half an avocado with a fork, add a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt, and spread on soft whole grain toast or eat with whole grain crackers. This is soft, satisfying, and rich in nutrients. Second, avocado and cottage cheese. Combine diced avocado with a few spoonfuls of full-fat or low-fat cottage cheese. Add a sprinkle of black pepper or a little milder herb like finely chopped parsley. This mix provides protein, healthy fat, calcium, and texture that is easy to chew. Third, creamy avocado smoothie. Blend half an avocado with a banana, a cup of milk or plant-based milk, and a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt if you like. Add a little cinnamon for flavor. This smoothie is smooth, easy to swallow, and nourishing for breakfast or a snack. Fourth, mild guacamole for gentle palates. Mash avocado with a little lime juice, finely chopped tomato without seeds, and a touch of finely chopped onion if tolerated. For extra softness, mix in a spoonful of plain yogurt. Serve with soft-baked pita, whole grain crackers, or as a dip for steamed vegetables. Fifth, avocado and egg. For seniors who enjoy eggs, top a soft-boiled or poached egg with sliced avocado. The combination gives a creamy texture and a boost of protein and healthy fats. If chewing is a concern, mash the avocado and mix with the egg for a softer consistency. Sixth, tuna or salmon salad with avocado. Mash avocado into canned tuna or salmon mix with a touch of plain yogurt or a small amount of mayonnaise. This creates a creamy, flavorful salad that is easy to eat and full of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins. Simple recipe ideas like these take minutes and use everyday ingredients. Try rotating these choices across the week for variety, and remember that small, steady changes add up over time. Tips for storage and leftovers are helpful. To keep a halved avocado from browning, leave the pit in the half you plan to save. Brush the surface lightly with lemon or lime juice, and cover tightly with plastic wrap or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Eating the avocado within 2 days is best for flavor and texture. Cost is a real concern for many seniors. Avocado can be more expensive at times. Look for sales, buy one in season, and consider buying 1 or 2 at a time and storing them in the fridge once ripe. Frozen avocado chunks are another option and can be used in smoothies and dips. Canned or jarred avocado is less common and often less nutritious, so fresh or frozen are the preferred choices. Chewing, swallowing, and denture-friendly ideas are important. Avocado is naturally soft and usually safe for people with dental issues. Mash it well or mix with other soft foods like yogurt or cottage cheese. For those with swallowing concerns, pureeing avocado into soups or smoothies provides nutrition and a smooth texture that is easy to swallow. Always follow any guidance from a speech therapist or clinician who has advised on swallowing safety. Mindful pairing and meal planning helps maximize benefits. Pair avocado with colorful vegetables for a vitamin-rich plate. Combine with lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes for balanced meals. Use avocado as a replacement for less healthy fats rather than as an add-on. For example, replace mayonnaise in a sandwich with mashed avocado, or use avocado instead of butter on toast to reduce saturated fat intake. Be motivated by small steps. Start with a quarter of an avocado a few times a week and notice how you feel. You may experience more sustained energy, less midday hunger, and a more satisfying, creamy texture in meals. Keep a small notebook or note on your phone to track how you like to use avocado. Celebrate each simple change. For seniors with chronic conditions, it is important to coordinate with healthcare professionals. If you have heart disease, kidney disease, diabetes, or take multiple medications, a quick conversation with your doctor or dietitian will help personalize how much avocado is right for you and how to include it safely. Now some easy weekly ideas to get started. On Monday, enjoy avocado mashed on whole grain toast for breakfast. On Wednesday, blend an avocado smoothie for a mid-morning snack. On Friday, Make tuna salad with avocado for lunch. On Saturday, top a salad of mixed greens and roasted vegetables with sliced avocado. On Sunday, have a light dinner of baked fish with a side of avocado and tomato salad. Rotate these ideas in a way that fits your tastes and schedule. Small safety reminders finish this guide. Use a stable cutting board and avoid cutting toward your hand. If knife handling is difficult, use a spoon to scoop with minimal cutting. Store ripe avocados in the refrigerator. When trying a new way of eating avocado, start with a small portion to see how your body tolerates it. Remember, food is not only nourishment, it is comfort, pleasure, and an expression of care for yourself. Avocado is a wonderful choice that supports many aspects of senior health, while offering flexible and delicious options. To close, you now know why avocado is so special for seniors. It supports heart health, digestion, blood sugar control, brain and eye health, bone health, and inflammation management. It helps with nutrient absorption, is gentle on teeth, and is easy to include in meals. Start small, choose ripe fruit, use safe cutting techniques, and enjoy new recipes that fit your needs. Speak with your healthcare team if you have medical questions or special dietary needs. Thank you for spending this time learning about avocado. Take one simple step this week by adding a small portion of avocado to a meal. Notice how it makes your plate more satisfying and your body more nourished. You deserve meals that are both healthy and enjoyable. Keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep caring for yourself with kind and delicious choices like avocado.